Hello everyone! I've wanted to give you a quick update on my PixelArthur converter. First of all, I've changed the name from Pixelize to PixelArthur because I think PixelArthur sounds better than Pixelize. And yeah, the biggest change is probably the user interface. I have written a complete GUI from scratch just for PixelArthur. So that makes the interaction with the program a lot easier. Because now you have, for each function, you have a button. And also you have an info panel here on the top, what shows you what this tool does and the shortcut for it. Like pen tool has the shortcut P, and the color picker tool has C, and when I press C or P on my keyboard, it automatically selects this tool. That makes working on the image a lot faster. So yeah, you have your tool palette here on the left and your color palette on the right and your menu bar on the top. So yeah, let's load an image, our well-known helmet, and let's pick some colors. Color picker, add colors. So when you pick a color, it shows you the RGBA values here in the info panel, and also when you select a color in the color palette, it gives you this small indicator so that you know what color you have selected, and also it shows you the RGBA values here on the bottom of the selected color. And also when you accidentally add the same color more than once, you don't have to select it one by one, like selecting it and delete it, selecting, deleting. You just have to select one of these and press delete, and it automatically detects duplicated colors. So yeah, I think that's really cool. So then let's convert the image, and let me show you the pencil tool. The pencil tool is probably what you would expect from a pencil tool. You select the color and then you can like draw on the image. Pretty basic, but it's cool to have. Also, what's new? The eraser tool is new. You can delete pixels from the image. And now also you have a border around the image. Like when you have alpha channel in your image, it's kind of hard to size or to see what's the exact size of the image, and yeah, that's why you have a border around it now. Also, when you're working on the image, like that, working, and oh my gosh, where's my image gone? You have a center image button now, and yeah, here's it again. That's pretty convenient, I guess. So a lot of new features, and there will be more in the future, I think. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.